Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 177 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Epic.
Starting in an epic. 200 coins.
Rare.
2 rare. 100 XP doubler.
Super rare.
Super rare. 50 power points. It's pretty decent. As for the daily freebie, we have 10 power points. There's about a day and a half left for the Get Early Access offer if you wanted that, and there's a special offer for 1,500 XP doublers if you really have a hankering for those for some reason. So I don't believe anything too special has changed since yesterday. I think it's pretty interesting to see that boss fight will be coming out in 2 days, 14 hours. So it'll be coming out pretty much immediately when the new season starts, roughly, and Power League. So other than that, guys, season's getting pretty close. Let me know what you're looking forward to most, and let's see how far we can take this.